In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive calls in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, how to open the calling setup, and what to expect when enabling inbound calling. Start on your HubSpot home screen and look for the settings icon, the small gear usually found in the top navigation. Click that to open your account settings. If you work in multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed and confirm you have the right permissions. You may need a paid seat or admin access depending on your subscription, so it's a good idea to check with your administrator if you don't see the options I'm describing. Inside settings, go to the calling area. You can find it in the left sidebar, or use the settings search bar and type calling. This section is where HubSpot centralizes your telephony preferences. It's used for things like selecting your default call method, managing numbers, setting recording preferences, and most importantly for today, enabling the ability to receive inbound calls. Once you're in the calling settings, click Get Started. HubSpot will launch a guided setup. This flow is designed to help you turn on calling, link a number, and prepare your workspace to handle inbound calls. The process is straightforward, and HubSpot walks you through each on-screen prompt so you don't have to guess what comes next. Here's the key point to understand. To receive calls in HubSpot, you'll need to purchase access to inbound calling. HubSpot requires a paid plan or add-on to provide a dedicated phone number that people can call. During the setup, you'll be prompted to choose and buy a number that fits your region and use case. If you don't see purchase options, it may be because of your subscription level, your user permissions, or regional availability. In those cases, reach out to your admin or HubSpot support for guidance. A few helpful tips as you proceed. Before buying a number, confirm which team members will receive calls and whether you plan to forward calls to personal devices or handle them in the browser. Review your call recording and consent settings to stay compliant with local regulations. Make sure your billing details are up to date, since number provisioning and call minutes are billed through HubSpot. And if your organization already uses another telephony provider, check whether it integrates with HubSpot so you can keep your existing workflows aligned. That's it. Click the settings gear, open calling, select. Get started and complete the purchase when prompted. With that done, you'll be ready to receive calls directly in HubSpot.